Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna do some meal prep. I'm making 4 dishes today: grilled salmon, dry chicken masala, ground beef with potatoes, and some stir-fried veggies. So my first dish is grilled salmon, and I'm marinating it with a mix of salt, some black pepper, white pepper, lemon and rosemary, paprika, and some seasoning herbs. Now after heating the pan, I'm adding some butter. Now adding the fishes and fry each side until it's golden and perfectly cooked. And just like that, my first dish is ready. Now my second dish, I have marinated the chicken with some spices. Now I'm cooking until the pieces are tender, and I'll not add any water in this dish because it's dry masala. And trust me, this dish will not take much time to cook. I'll make some chicken gyro over rice with this chicken. That's why I cooked it dry. Though I felt the amount of chicken is less, but it's okay. So our second dish is also ready. For my third dish, I'm doing a simple stir-fried veggie mix. So I started by blanching all these colorful veggies: carrots, broccoli, and green beans. After blanching, I quickly sauteed them in a little bit of oil with salt and pepper. And that's it. My third dish is also ready, and it didn't take much time. So now my fourth dish, and I made this ground beef at home and started by heating some oil and then added the ground beef, cooking until it changed color. Next, I'm adding some onions, garlic and ginger paste and letting it all cook for a few minutes. Now adding all the spices, salt, chili powder, and black pepper along with tomato paste for that richy flavor. After a good mix, I'm adding some water, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and finally some diced potatoes. I added a little more water to cook the potatoes through. So I have prepared 4 delicious dishes ready for the week, and after cooling they are ready to go into the freeze. Let me know which one you are most excited to try, and till then, keep cooking. Thank you for watching.